ending, no? Kay Mando malabo. Malabo. It bears mentioning that as early as 20th of September 2021, LANDBANK recommended to the DA the use of existing Rcef-Rffa program cash cards of farmers to expedite the release of cash assistance to the program's beneficiaries. We also offered to the DA the use of Unconditional Cash Transfer or UCT program cash cards. We also offered prepaid cash cards of those onboarded during PhilSys ID Registration and over-the-counter distribution through LANDBANK servicing branches. But, however, the DA opted for the use of IMCs. What is this IMCs? This is, ang IMCs is Intervention Monitoring Cards, IMCs. Intervention Monitoring Cards, IMCs. That was the delay of giving 5,000 pesos Rcef-Rffa cash grants to 421,163 farmer beneficiaries. So, amon kang ginisabat ng dakang agad dito rin padara. No? Signed by Cecilia C. Borromeo, President and CEO of the LANDBANK. CC, copy furnished under Secretary Domingo Panganiban. Attorney Rodolfo John Robert C. Palatao IV, Undersecretary, Presidential Management Staff, and Director Cheripay Felici M. Maraya, Office of Facilitation of Presidential Assistance, Presidential Management Staff, Malacanang.